Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Like I've promised that I'll send you a short video to try and clarify, uh, amongst other things, what Mr. White has said. For the past couple of weeks, I'm sure you can remember that he has sent out a couple of videos illustrating to us this third three-wave structure that we can possibly see on the weekly. Currently, I still believe that that is possible, and let me show you why. So, in the way that I trade, I always keep it simple. And I use the basics that I've learned when I was learning forex, such as support and resistance, double bottoms and double tops, trend line, and asking yourself, what is a trend line? A trend is something is when the market is making lower lows and lower highs. If it's a downtrend, if it's a bullish trend, then obviously we have higher highs and higher lows. So as we can see on the weekly, we are on a bearish trend, right? So the first thing that I noticed here is that on the weekly we have created support on that level, and last week we broke through that support. So currently we could say that we are retesting that area as a resistance, right? Similar to what happened on this week here. You can see that price created support there on that area, and then on that week there, on the 31st of January, we came back to retest it. We spiked up but ended up closing below. So we can still see a similar thing, right? So with that in mind, let's go down to the daily and try and prove our theory correct. So on the daily, we see that we are clearly in a downtrend. Whether you want to look at it from here, we are in that downtrend. If you want to look at it like that, we are in a downtrend. Or secondly, even if we come and look inside this wave here, this wave is also on a downtrend. What do I mean on a downtrend? Okay, let me clarify that for you. We had a high on this level. Price went down all the way to there, which is our low, right? Price pushed back up, found resistance here. This is a lower high. Remember, this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high. So now price also pushed back down to there. We had a lower low. We had a low that was lower than this one. Currently price pushed up. So as long as price is still below this previous high, we are still in this daily downtrend, right? So we can still see a leg down like that, right? If you have maybe happened to have came across what we call Elliott wave theories, you will understand that within the weekly bigger three-wave structures, we can also have these five-wave structures: one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five, right? So let me go down to the 4 hour, try and show you. I think 2 days back I published I sent out my analysis on Mr. White's Discord group, with the waves being this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, with the possibility of wave 5. How do I find these waves? This is how I find the waves. When price is going down, you will see a strong push like this, and then whenever you have a correction, the market goes to the side. It goes sideways. It's a correction. It's not going up, it's not going down. It's stuck in a range, that being the range there. This is the range that we were in, right? So there price was going sideways, and then we have a push down. So currently we are stuck in another range right there. If you can see, this is the range right there. So this could be wave 4. So from wave 4 we can still see wave 5 down. Hence, like I said, 2 days back I sent out this as my analysis on Mr. White's Discord group. So it's still the same analysis, guys. Basically, price is currently testing the resistance area, and it looks like it's currently failing to break above that area. And I said to everybody, we go short there. Well, if you decide to take the trade, you are not forced to take the trade. Because something like that, I think the risk to reward is something like 1:7.5, if I remember well. So yeah, it's something like that. So I will always follow the trend before I rush into buying. So for me, in order for me to buy, this is what I would want to see. I want to see this daily trend being broken. Low, lower high, lower low. I want this high to be taken out, and then we come back and form a higher low there or somewhere within those areas. Then I can look forward to opening buy positions. As for now, the only positions that I'm still looking at are short, because we are weekly on a downtrend, daily on a downtrend, 4-hour downtrend. So yeah, I mean, basically all the time frames are bearish, guys, all the bigger time frames. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you understand, and that clears out a few things for everyone. Thank you. Bye.